Imagine waking up to the gentle caress of a tropical breeze. The only sound is the soft lapping of turquoise waves against pristine white sand. Palm trees sway rhythmically, casting playful shadows across your luxurious villa. This isn't a scene from a movie. It's the reality for a select few who own private islands. These secluded havens, scattered across the globe's most breathtaking destinations, offer an escape from the ordinary, a chance to rewrite the rules of reality. The air is fresh, infused with the scent of exotic flowers. The sun, rising over the horizon, paints the sky in hues of pink, orange, and gold. This is a world where time slows down, where worries fade into the background, replaced by the simple pleasures of existence. A dip in your private infinity pool, overlooking the endless expanse of the ocean. A leisurely breakfast prepared by your personal chef, featuring fresh fruit picked from your own orchard. This is life on a billionaire's island, a world of unparalleled luxury and seclusion. But owning a private island is more than just an escape. It's a statement, a testament to success, wealth, and an unwavering desire for the extraordinary. It's about creating a world entirely your own, a personal sanctuary where you dictate the rules, set the pace, and live life on your own terms. It's about experiencing a level of freedom and privacy unimaginable in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those who can afford it, a private island is the ultimate indulgence, a symbol of having reached the pinnacle of success. It's a place where fantasy meets reality, where the impossible becomes possible. It's a world of endless possibilities, limited only by the imagination of its owner. In a world obsessed with status and exclusivity, owning a private island reigns supreme. It's the ultimate trophy, a symbol of wealth that transcends the material. It's about owning a piece of paradise, a tangible manifestation of success that money can buy. But the allure of a private island extends beyond mere materialism. It's about the freedom to escape the prying eyes of the public, the relentless demands of modern life, and the constant bombardment of information. These secluded retreats offer a sense of privacy and security that's impossible to replicate elsewhere. It's a place where billionaires can truly relax, unwind, and be themselves without the fear of intrusion or judgment. Celebrities, business moguls, and even royalty are drawn to the allure of private islands. It's a place where they can escape the paparazzi, the pressures of fame, and the scrutiny of the public eye. The exclusivity of owning a private island further enhances its appeal. With only a limited number of these secluded havens scattered across the globe, ownership becomes a highly coveted prize. It's a club reserved for the elite, a testament to a level of success achieved by only a select few. The scarcity of these islands only adds to their mystique, making them even more desirable to the ultra-wealthy. Owning a private island is more than just acquiring a piece of real estate. It's about joining an exclusive club. It's a way of life reserved for those who can afford to live by their own rules, surrounded by unparalleled beauty and luxury. So, you think owning a private island is all about sipping cocktails and sunbathing? Think again. Even paradise has its headaches. Running an island is like managing a mini-city, complete with its own set of dramas. From making sure you have enough water and power to keeping the staff happy and the boats running on time, it's a full-time gig that requires some serious hustle. And let's not forget Mother Nature. She's got her own set of rules. Keeping the island's ecosystem in check is like playing Jenga with nature. You have to be eco-friendly or risk turning your paradise into a wasteland. Sustainable living isn't just a buzzword here, it's a necessity. Waste, energy, and marine life all need your attention. It's like being a zookeeper, but for fish and coral. Privacy is another biggie. Everyone wants a piece of your paradise. With drones, cameras, and social media, keeping things private is a 24/7 job. High-tech security and a team of guards are your best friends. Because let's face it, you don't want uninvited guests crashing your island party. And then there's the whole being in the middle of nowhere thing. Medical emergencies, education, and other essentials need some serious planning. Flying in experts and supplies is like running a logistics company. And staying connected? That's a whole other ballgame. Despite the challenges, the allure of a private island lies in the unparalleled luxury and freedom it offers. These secluded havens become blank canvases for billionaires to create their own personal paradises, equipped with every imaginable amenity and tailored to their specific desires. From opulent villas and infinity pools overlooking azure waters, to private golf courses and state-of-the-art spas, No expense is spared in creating the ultimate playground for the elite. Many islands boast world-class chefs, ready to cater to any culinary whim, while others feature private cinemas, bowling alleys, or even recording studios. The possibilities are limited only by the imagination and the depth of the owner's pockets. Some islands even have their own airstrips and marinas, accommodating private jets and super yachts, ensuring easy access for owners and their guests. The staff on these private islands are trained to anticipate every need, providing discreet and impeccable service. From personal butlers and private chefs to experienced dive instructors and skilled masseuses, every need is met with efficiency and discretion. The goal is to create an environment of effortless luxury, where every desire is anticipated and fulfilled without a second thought. For those seeking adventure, private islands offer a playground of unparalleled possibilities. From exploring hidden coves and pristine coral reefs to embarking on deep-sea fishing expeditions or enjoying exhilarating jet ski adventures, there's no shortage of ways to satisfy a thirst for excitement. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Billionaire Island escapes, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more exclusive content.